Baffour's
yes,
side.
yeah, Kwadee side. It's one of my Kunyani say how things are going, you know. Obviously, me I say, me pebe na coming corner, me no munkudi nkomo. The answer said, "Yeah, Ghana force bit my na idea Boma Kwadee say I serious. Financial aspect, mo like kakra.
Okay.
Tinabe on corner, including nkomo. Now through that, you know.
So you went to Bolga because of family friend request or anyway, and that's one the facilitate you
definitely also nice idea, no.
Very well. Me who the okoye.
Okay, me could do you know. In fact, who Kwadee is here?
Oh, he pote.
Oh, Bolga Navrangu opposite. I say in between.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a village on front Nabangu. Yeah, more. I don't know if I got the name right. But we friend Sirigi. Ana Mirigu baby who didn't know. But village anka so one from Nabangu. Because in between Bolga and Navrongo.
I see.
Me kodua me hu Kwadee no. The way Kwadee sin me kasa and other sport no. Obi catch him say Kwadee yare nka minjindi.
Me pacho baby always say when hono wo.
Or in the family house. Ne ma me
family house.
No ma me no always see here.
Ne ma me wo Bolga.
Ne ma me bezu Kumasi, but the woman is at Bolga right now because of Kwadee papa ntia.
I see. So to us, so who Kwadee? Let's Obi catch us a Kwadee ni anka onyina. Why then?
Like Obi catch him say Kwadee yare kaminjindi. Because the way Kwadee seen me din come on.
Oh, who know you okay?
Yes, yeah, vibe all right, but from 10-15 minutes going, on any kasa this kasa no.
87.9.
Ubusan question mark could be answer. Not the answer if be na amount. Ubusan question answer if be na amount. You know, ne ma me catch him say, ba me ba no. I should let him know say I'm coming purposely to interview him. Esa one year. Interview.
That was what Kwadee's
mom told me. Yes.
Okay.
So my mom said you be interview purposely because of the yare no one yet. But main country they say me ba because of ni father ye ntia.
Okay.
Ti me can't also okay, that's good right there and but I want me vibe with didn't come all right too. And I'm sure on trust my any interview ankasa.
It incomodie enu no after some time and who say questions say obi say anye ho answer no dey ma. I want who say adwen no.
Sure. Only
now, oh yeah, interview. And I think that there are a lot of comments coming. They say, I didn't know one shot there.
Yeah. Before say be interview no shot there. It didn't come all right. It be Akoma. Because be interview say mention over. And we inside. Oba no run on. Eti me cousin be a friend Ezekiel when ne come an idea video no.
Okay.
Me can say one shot there interview no so show the enye.
I see. Now, a honor one or hose ye Sunday idea and answer or hosisia.
According to my men, many American no chess say, on Kumasi no friend say, a year Hamanti Naba, a year Bolga Honomo. So now Hamanti, legendary media personnel.
Okay.
Kumasi. Yes. Was so on my friend catch and say,
Kwadee ma say, or honor,
my friend say, yeah, Hammer, I'm a modi Kwadee ba, a year. Bolga honum to also frɛ Hammer
ama me nim ho hwe
according to my medicine na woka eti you say on frɛ Hammer ebusan sɛ ona ama modi ne baya na ana say Hammer kan say ona ka so mo fa ne mbra
because ni bibi enra me ne Hammer din komo senior man me ne din komo enra e ma o ka kyerɛ me say upon request a family no that's the mother and the father of Kwadee omo na request yes on fa ne mbra.
Okay.
So if the mother is here saying say Hammer na didn't quite I don't get it.
And no mama ka susipi say Hammer to is here but maka say onim hwe o na Hammer den buy. And no crown be a frame free or say omo de obana bo no frɛ Hammer say o de me bana no sian.
Okay. It e hono no o hoso mo san yare and as o hoso is here hono better.
O ni hoso mo san yare. Bi ntia mama ni ko nyina ne say mama na according to mama no on person the banable media personnel bi ansem. On person the banable media personnel because
so if that's the case the enye Hammer na didn't call
yes
the mama na request
on no asem na o kan na me ko teacher atifo no
okay
eti wo ti asem na ho ense so na wo hu bi asem na ko bi asem ne ba on person the banable media personnel bi ansem na say adentia o say o media for ne nsema I mean ne ho to ne kakra 1 month 2 month 3 months na o ma sha say aso di ni bosho na o ma sha say aso di ne ko studio so nko enyom onu hu ni say nyum na ne ba ne ye no en na akoso yare nyina abre no
Kwadee ma me asem
yes according to my man asem okan it on person ban ba nyum biem but akwai say obi bia so ba ne ba ne chen bia no ewia open self interest say or shaman what on na ko enyo or shaman what on na ko studio maame no so mpesa etino say Ghana ni bia na NGO bia na se bia ankoko be so mo support man ne ba no enho to na nipa ne fan hye ne tirimu say enya ade ne ba no ho to na oba enyu ne biem donu nim say obi oba ne nchen bia nim say ne ba no ho to na osaso di ni costume na ko enyo ri nko show na nipa na woteneka ba won so mo say ne ba to nyum biem
eti hona wo sisi ana mo hwe ne yare ana
ehona wo sisi ana nya yare na mo hwe no esi akoye say ehona obesti eti mi ka che ma me ni say sese bi akwa de wo no se maame kasa mu no kasa bia onum nubona na se bia onu wi nya de dia because maame kasa say omo de call rehab ne friends mi gwatimi ba obesra no omo de kakra bre no
because there are a couple of videos I hu a na wo ho na but wo base o smoky
yes etimi ka cha say maame ya we me ka cha maame say oba no okumase na say o smoky na ono monsa na say enu nti na mo de na ba ase a aha no cramp na ye village ono bra on kono nya na the original one no and some pito ni those kind of habai no ho no nya typical village one no
okoy hu so no
yes papa wo hwe Kwadee ni ma asi abo no
wow
and onu mu so a onya bibia ndi because why fit onya adwani ndi
obia ni ho okay ta for na aduane
bosu enye so obia ni onya okay ta for adwani ni ho ekumo nka se adwani ni ho lucky now se me ko no me to drink boss koi and I'm no me san buy unya aduane nto okrom wo bo so to aduane a e cho sa fa prag yakọ boga kumu ankasa mo na be 1 hour ho na typical village
unim the trigger as our conversation nyina na me sure pass ma okọ boga ko interview Kwadee was the video be about bonte no no say den
I say ni hood for no mo ye program no go je mic pay for me e hood on ma
it na Kwadee na video
no na him in interview babo na say no pay for me.
Was that Kwadee?
Kwadee na
no changes no.
Kwadee na perform wo. Na boys na video no.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Anyway, to buy a Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. This is Kwadee currently. Say na see akoye na me nim say Isaac interview bi oye no say family na ready set omo hia nko for mo a na omo tumi de atu one amount. I want to know say which kind of mo sikasem na say den
na make for now no mo hia free Ghana for no ye sikasem ana se bia say individual ka say what hwa man ho to no ma me no according to ma me ni pa na nyi free ni trimu say o man ba no ho to no amana manage no ana say o man ba ho to no
ma me na is no abe manage na dia
o say o man ba no ntonyum bi
oh okay
it is bia say Tony Bacho wa see na ka kwata wo hwa man ho to na o so che say o hwa na hwani from kan say o hwa na man ho to na
enye for business
yes o say bia we are the continue na that o we na say no what thousand ho to na do bia no wo ye but on person ba no tonyum bi it is o mu hia financial side etim krom ye say ne side o mu enye video na onfa some mobile money na ma bintu wonom na ma for support them through that ma America che me say on person ni ba social media bi 87 so bi e wo ho na say
nipa we nyina wo kasa mu nyina ma me no ma me no kwa na kasa on behalf of Kwadee
of course obi ani o ma me ne kasa na ma me ni papa no film say ma me no e da ma me no bia da ma me no so e ko me kwam no Kwadee nyina ma me ni nche na me koya me ni di nkomo it later na me ti say si ni nya ba bi e so mu ya 2 Kwadee ni nya ba no ana nya ba so frame for so me ni kasa
I see
it is story nyina is about ma me na see a bibia gya no so there's no other family maybe o kasa bia say o call boga na say na Ezekiel din hojima hono it hard so benyo bi na kasa because network ni nye it no one will be tumba kwa nya ni pa na kasa it ma me ka chere say obi on mo so support no some NGO for me nya ko beba ana bia individual person mi nya ko beba but omo ba no obeya doye no na we all say video
okay
but the condition Kwadee right now see no so be video bia it is obi person support ma the person if am fall through na ba force no famra say entitled say do edin on be side no it mean nin komo na say no how condition sit here no ono aso adwuno we say spiritual aspects account
obi sa Kwadee na
we say ma me no
okay
and I say am koma trans adwuno ni nyo bia trans adwuno we say after a year no and come person be o very powerful nanka odna koma no
Akoma FM
yeni kasa na say abesi Philadelphia Mr. Adum Chedua so
okay
so na ni gidie say okodi ni nsɛm a na ɔbɛtɔ no
maame ne sɛ ne gyidie ɛwɔ sɔfo adom
Ipatwan.
kyɛn sɛ ɔkɔwa na no ɔbɛtɔge
nti ɔno onim financial side bi a ɛbɛkɔ so sɛ ɔmɛgye sika ɔmo nyine sika o nti sɛ ɔmo nso ɔmo hia mmoa no ɔmo hia mmoa no sɛ ɔmo pɛ sika a sɛ nkesi bi ɔmo kɔ hɔ nom a na sɛ sikasɛm bi mu a ɔmo anya bi de atua because ɔde na kɔ rehab ne friends ne ba hɔ ɛma ne bibi nom ɔde na ma obi foforɔ ɔmo de ne kɔ ne nkyɛn a ɔde na ɔsɛ ɔkɔmafo birthday nkyɛn ɛwɔ nom a na ɔho frɛ sɛ Kwadee kubo show a ɔsɛ obi a na ho ntɔ no ɔmo de kubo show ayɛ de ɛtɛ ne ɛmu ne gya nwomɔtoɔ ɛti na nka professor nka ɛfa no ma Lord Kenya ɛyɛ evangelist
na sɛ Lord Kenya de wakɔ ne nsɛm
yes ɔsi to ɔno no ohunu sɛ Lord Kenya sɔfo tinka Lord Kenya hɔ no manka Lord Kenya betimi de nyamesɛm na de atete na ama I mean ɔmfiri mu no na nka ne refisa no ma no ana ama ne sa ɛti sɛ no ɔno gyidie ɔno sɛ ɔkɔ Philadelphia ne ho bɛtɔ no
well nana Baffour abo adwuma na I believe say adwuma akoye so abamfa so pa because week here HM media baby abefa bia no it was about your video interview on Okomfo Kwadee koye now yeah hwesen ke betimi ni nua Ezekiel Nakasa all the way from Bogatanga na yaje 1 or 2 fact be from him na abiyetimi ato so but wakasa e beda say convenience listening to yenua Nana Baffour